What's up, boys? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be playing or doing a house tour. Okay, we're doing a house tour. Anyway, so we're gonna. That's my nose. That's my face. Okay, so I'm gonna find my friend Mason. My son, we're doing the house tour. Oh, whatever. Okay. So, you walk in from the door. You walk in. You can see all of this. And then you look up. And it goes way up there. And we have this living room that's actually, this is a pretty new house. Now we got this room, we've got this kitchen, we've got that, living room. What you doing, Dad?
What?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Make a YouTube video, the house tour.
Nice. Watching the Duke game. They're winning.
Nice. 58 to 52. Nice. I turn on some lights. Oh, sorry. So after you come over here, to this room. This is a cold room because like it's a mud room, and then the garage, which is actually pretty big in this house. And it goes back there. Should I go back there? It's not very far back, but I mean, you got my dad's truck, my mom's car. Don't look at that. Okay. We're gonna do next floor because this house is too big. So we've got, after you come from that room to that room, you actually can come right over here. You can actually see the entrance from right there. Where were you?
Are you seriously filming?
Yes, I am filming. Okay, and then we have my mom's office, which is now the art room, I guess. Oh, hi, kitty. You cute.
We got Asia here. That's the cutie one. Got him.
Dig. Look at her. Asia, you want to be in the vlog? Willow. Where's Willow? Willow, say hi to the viewers. Say hi. Nice job. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to be, well, yeah, you better like and subscribe. Oh, I scratched myself. Right there. Thanks for watching.